Jeremiah Campbell, Brickworks Property Restoration. I'm super excited to take you on this. We do these stop-by, drop-by visits to ensure the quality that you're gonna get when you hire us. Let's come take a look. So this project is in the east side of Detroit, and we're doing a complete chimney rebuild on this. So I want to point out exactly how we're mixing our mud. The process where we're putting the tarps down, we're making sure that we're not affecting the customer's driveway. One of our main focuses is to leave the project cleaner when we leave than when we got here. So you see some of our guys with their proper PPP on. If you look up here, you can see the chimney rebuild. The guys are safely protected up there. So some of the guys, they know that I'm a freak for quality, so no matter what job site I go to, I always pick something out. A couple things that they're doing right, and in this site, it's the safety, it's the cleanliness of the job site. And then what I'm gonna do is when I get off camera, I'm gonna critique them. We're constantly trying to improve to make things better, and how we do that is we make these impromptu visits on every one of our job sites. They don't know when we're arriving. So if this is something that encourages you and you like the idea of being able to deal with a company that values quality, customer service, and professionalism above anything else, we would love the opportunity to give you a quote, 586-868-3234.